Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone on mobile. First, you'll need to download the official Call of Duty Warzone mobile application from your device's respective app store. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms. Make sure your device has at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor for the best experience. Once downloaded, simply open the app and either create a new Activision account or log in with an existing one to begin your mobile battle royale journey. To ensure a smooth experience, your mobile device should have at least 4 GB of RAM. For Android users, a device running Android 10 or higher is recommended, while iOS users need an iPhone 8 or newer. The initial download size is approximately 1.5 GB, but expect additional in-game downloads totaling around 6 GB. Always use a stable Wi-Fi connection for downloading to prevent interruptions and save your mobile data. Once in the game, head straight to the settings menu to customize your controls. You can adjust button placement, size, and transparency to create a layout that suits your playstyle. Many players find a 3-finger claw or 4-finger claw setup beneficial for simultaneous movement, aiming, and shooting. Don't forget to fine-tune your sensitivity settings for both aiming and camera movement to gain a competitive edge. To maximize your enjoyment and success, always prioritize teamwork and communication. Use the in-game voice chat or quick ping system to coordinate with your squad. Landing in less populated areas allows you to gather essential loot without immediate engagements. Remember to constantly move, utilize cover, and manage your armor plates and ammunition. Practice in the training grounds or smaller modes to hone your skills before diving into the intense battle royale experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.